Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a great website, peer-to-peer file transfer website where you can upload files and you can share these files with anyone inside the internet. So this is a website which is justbeamit.com. I have given the link in the video description. You can go to this website. This is a free file transfer peer-to-peer application where you can upload unlimited files and you can transfer files over the internet unlimited. So if you go to the website, there will be this interface, easy to interface. So there will be this parachute. You can either drag and drop your files or you can click this parachute to open the file dialog box. Now you can select any sort of media files, either image files. Let me select this single png file. You will see this jpg file is selected. Now we simply need to click this button of create link in order to create a random link. So now what you want, you need to just copy this link and share this link with your friends so that they can download this media file. In order to transfer it, you just need to send this link to anyone which wants to download this. So simply if I copy this link in the browser, then this interface will come here. You will see download this file here, o0.jpg. So if I simply click this download button, the download will start here. You will see my image is downloaded successfully. This is the simplest of technique for file transfer over the internet. If I open the image, you will see my image is successfully transferred over peer-to-peer network. So this application uses Node.js Express Socket.io for making the peer-to-peer connection. Once the connection is established, it gives you this unique link that you can just give to anyone which wants to download the file. So now let me just show you how you can use the drag and drop functionality. So if you open this, now let's suppose I want to drag and drop. So I can also do that. If you don't want to select files, you can just simply drag this file like this. If you drag this, drag and drop, you can see this file has been simply drag and drop. You can even, I think they support multiple files. If I want to, if I drag the second file, you will see two files are selected this time. If I now click the create link button, now it will give me this unique link where I just need to copy this. If I now copy this and go to this link here, if I open this, you will see this download link. And now since this contains two files, two images are there. First is this png and jpg. It creates this zip file for us automatically, which contains this zip file. If I click download, a zip file will be downloaded, and now you can simply extract this zip file. Click show in folder, and I can simply cut this file here, and wherever you want to extract the content, you can just do it like this. If I paste it here, and simply you can extract the content here. If I right click, extract here, so if you extract it, you will see these two files will be there. This is our first image and this is the second. So in this way you can just transfer single file or multiple file over the peer-to-peer network. This is pretty easy. So just go to this website. Now I will show you a particular, let's suppose if you want to transfer a video file, you can even do that as well. So if I go to the videos tab, and let's suppose I want to just transfer this mp3 file. Let's suppose this mp3, you can even create link, copy this link and go to it, and now you can even share songs over the peer-to-peer network. If I click download, this mp3 file will download successfully. Now let me just show you the video file as well. So all the media files are supported. So this is my video here, mp4. It is of 2.28 megabytes. So it totally depends upon your video size. If your my media file is lengthy, then it will take some time to upload and also transfer. So now my video is uploaded. I can simply go to this link to download this. Very simple process. If you want to share media files over the internet, you can use this website for the peer-to-peer file transfer. This is pretty simple. Click the download button and your download will start. So the speeds also gets are pretty, you can see the speeds we are getting almost 204 kilobytes per second. So the speeds are also very good. So I will highly recommend that you go to the video description and go to this site. This is a very good site, file transfer site here, peer to peer. So please like the video, guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.